Wait for it. What's up, y'all? I'm not gonna do too much narrating on this. I'm gonna just let this one ride. I'm building out the walls today, and it's gonna be a serious disaster that happens, but we push through it, so y'all enjoy. I'm about to stand up my first wall, a little help from my brother, and that felt dope. But really, this was a pretty quick process, putting all the walls together. Now it's time to frame out one of the bigger windows, and we just framed it in place, so it made it pretty easy to figure out where everything needed to go. At this point, I started getting the hang of it, seeing as how I got a couple of walls up now, so the framing was going a little bit easier and a little bit quicker. And there's nothing extra special going on here. Just framing up another wall with another window. And this is the moment we've all been waiting for. I had some cheap jack stands from Vivor, and I didn't realize how unstable this was. I laugh at it every time. Got knocked down, but got right back up and got to work. A lot of my releveling and fixing what's going on kind of sort of happened off camera, so I'm glad I at least caught some of it, so y'all won't see everything it took to get the tiny house back level, but I assure you it is back level. And if anybody is wondering, did the fall mess up the tiny house? Nope, nothing was out of plumb or out of square or out of level. So as y'all can sort of see, we got everything back on track, and we're gonna wrap this video up, and we appreciate y'all rocking with us. Stay tuned.